Naveen Lakkur is the Chief Innovation Coach at the Institute of Inspiring Innovation. He is a serial entrepreneur turned innovation coach. Through his Keynote Talks, training programs, workshops, and coaching sessions, he's inspired over 100,000 professionals and students. Naveen loves to enable enterprises and entrepreneurs to innovate and guide them to grow in the right direction. He is passionate about sharing his practical knowledge of building companies and nurturing ideas. He helps build a robust innovation culture in corporates through his uniquely designed training programs. He has also been a catalyst for 250 plus ideas to have become commercial realities. He mentors startups in India, Singapore, UK, and USA. He has authored books with international recognitions, and he loves telling business stories. Naveen Lakkur is on a mission to nurture new age leadership.